Hello, children. Welcome back to English Literature class. I'm your teacher, Aram Samantha. Our lesson is The Hungry Mouse, Part 2. Do you remember the story of the hungry mouse? Today we will continue the same story we have read on page 9 and 10 in Part 1. Let's recall the story. A hungry mouse was looking for food here and there, but he did not find anything to eat. A month passed. He became thinner and thinner. Then at last he found a basket of corns. He got into the basket through a small hole. Then he ate and did not stop. What happened next? Can you guess what happened afterward in the story next? For this, we have to open our book at page number 11. Before you start, you learn new words. I will help you in reading. Look at these new words from the paragraph and read aloud with me. Does, stop, help, shout, get, Mr. Rat. Repeat again. First word, does, stop, help, shouts, get, Mr. Rat. Let's start reading. Put your finger on the first word and move on as I read. He does not stop. He eats and eats. Mr. Mouse is not thin now. Help! He shouts. I can't get out. Mr. Rat, come by that way. Mr. Rat says, Mr. Mouse, get thin. Then you can come out. Now our reading is over. You have to do more practice of reading this lesson and also learn difficult words with spellings. Now I will revise the whole story again. Listen the story very carefully because in the end there are some activities for you to do. The story of Hungry Mouse. It is a hot day. Mr. Mouse is hungry. He wants some food to eat. He looks here and there, but he cannot find anything. A month passes. He is very thin now. He goes down the path and finds a basket full of corns. So now he eats the corns and doesn't stop eating. Now he is no more thin. He become fat and can't get out from the small hole. So he start shouting, help, help. Then Mr. Rat. Look at this picture. This is Mr. Rat and Mr. Mouse is in the basket. He can't get out from the basket. He listened. Mr. Mouse is crying for help. So he advised him to get thin again because the hole in the basket is very small. Look at this is the hole. It is very small. Now, what happened next? Poor little mouse cry and cries. Okay, now our reading is over. Now it's time for some activity. Here are some difficult words with meanings from the lesson. Read with me. The hungry mouse. Learn new words with meaning. Find. The meaning of find is looking for. Path. Path mean a way. Still. The meaning of still is till then. Corns. Hard grain in yellow color. I had shown you the picture of corns. Hungry. Hungry mean need for food. Hungry mean need for food. Wants. Need or wish. Think. Idea in mind. What is the meaning of think? Idea in mind. Now we have some more activity from your reading book, page number 30, exercise D. The letter in these words are jumbled. What are the animals? These are the jumbled words and here are animals' name. The first word, look at this picture. What is this? Frog. So F-R-O-G, frog is a jumbled word. The second word, come on, think children. Look at the spelling. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Which jumble word is this? Mouse. Now third word, it is very easy. Rat. R-A-T, rat. And the fourth word, anybody guess? It's a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Now fifth word, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. You have toys, na? Teddy bear also. It's a bear. Sixth word, 6 spelling in it, 6 letter in it. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now these are jumbled word and it's animal's name. Now the second activity is also on the same page. Exercise E. Put in the missing letters to make words from the story. The first word, B dash dash K dash T. Which word is this? Basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Second word, P dash dash H, P-A-T-H, path. Which letter are missing? A and T. Path. The word is path. Dash dash M dash S. Which word is this? Comes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Now the fourth word. It's very easy. C dash dash N. C dash dash N. C-O-R-N. Corn. Okay, it is your class activity. Now here are some home tasks for you. Fill in the blanks. Mr. Mouse was, which word come here? Mr. Mouse was hungry. Mr. Mouse was hungry. He looks dash and dash for food. He looks here and there for food. He cannot find any dash to eat. He cannot find any food to eat. Mr. Mouse find a basket of dash. Mr. Mouse find a basket of corn. The hole in the basket is dash. The hole in the basket is small. He does not dash eating. He does not stop eating. Mr. Mouse dash for help. Mr. Mouse shouts for help. Mr. Rat advise him to get dash. Mr. Rat advise him to get thinner. Okay, here is one more home task for you. Make sentence. Here are 4 words. The first word is hot, second is basket, third is corn, and fourth is rat. Do homework on full scape sheet. Write your name and class and submit in school office on Thursday between 9 to 11 a.m. Okay, now what is the moral of the story? Children, I hope you all understand the story very well. Our lesson is completed. Now, what you understand? What is the moral of the story? Yes, the moral of the story is overeating creates problem. Overeating creates problem, and excess of everything is bad. And excess of everything is bad. Now it's time to say goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a good day.